Good day, ladies and gents. My name is Earl, and today I'm going to demonstrate the joining of a domain using Windows Server 2008 and Vista, its intelligent client. Now, Vista is the intelligent client for Server 2008 because of the fact that Vista actually shares the same core files, or was designed with the same core files as Windows Server 2008. So basically, these two operating systems share a lot of similarities in terms of their networking protocols. Now, we're demonstrating this in a virtual environment. So how we're going to begin by checking to see if there's any network errors. You ensure that there's no network errors either in the server or the client side. As you can see here, there is no network errors. We're going to check on the client side, and you can see there is no network errors here either. You're going to set up the IP address. By clicking View Status, going into Properties, we're going to uncheck IP version 6 as we have here already. Properties, and as you can see, this is the IP address we're going to use at .1, and the preferred DNS at .1 also. And I click Close. We're also going to check to see, look at the network adapters, the virtual network adapter, and you can see it is set to host adapter. So that is okay, and you're going to see, as you can see, the network and sharing center, discovery on, file and sharing on, public folder sharing on, and printer sharing off. We're going to go across to the client side, and we're going to set up the IP address on the client side. You can click View Status, Properties. As you can see, I have already unchecked IP version 6, and we're going to go into IP version 4 and set up. We're using .2 as our IP to finish off with our IP address here in the client, and we're going to use the IP address of the server as the default gateway in the client, and we're going to use also the IP address of the server as our preferred DNS in also the client here. Click OK, close, and close. As you can see here, network 3 here, because of the fact that we have not as yet joined the domain. Basically, to set up a domain, you have to go to Server Manager. You could add a role service from here, or click on Add Roles from here, and basically an Active Directory service is going to set up, and basically set up a domain. You also are going to run DC promo in order to be installed, and you name your domain. And here we already have the name of our domain. Alright, as you can see, our name of our domain is busserver.com, and our IP address is here. The name of the computer is main PC or server on the server manager, and Basically, what we are going to do now is going back into the network and sharing center, view computers and devices, and this is what you would really want to see before you add anything or any computer to a domain. We can see the client name here, which is EL-PC, and the name of the machine on the server side, which is main PC. Both PCs can be seen in the server side. We'll go across to the Vista side now, and we're going to click view on computers, and as you can see in the client side also, you can see the server PC and also the client PC. Even if you click on this, it will request a username and password to actually join the domain. Now, how we actually join the domain, we go to My Computer. I click Properties, and you click Change Settings, Continue, and here we're going to go into System Properties, and we're going to change from Workgroup and go into and to join that domain. We're going to join this client here to the bus server domain. As you can see, the name of our domain here, busserver.com, and this is the domain that we're going to join. Click. Click OK. And as you can see, the computer name and domain changes. This window will come up, and you will have to enter a password and join as administrator. And here we can see welcome to the busserver.com domain, which we can see the client has joined the domain. Just one more step for the client to fully join to this domain. You have to restart. And now Vista, or the client, has finished restarted. Where now we're gonna still see the name here, ELPC-EL, which is the client name, and we're gonna switch user in order to log on to them as the domain onto the domain itself. Click other user, and the name of the domain is bus server. So we're going to type bus server slash administrator, and we're going to put the password. And we'll allow Windows to boot up, or Vista. Windows Vista to set up now. And here we see Vista has logged on, and we're going to go into my computer on the client side, properties, and here we see the computer name has changed. We have successfully joined ELPC to the busserver.com domain. This is the end of my tutorial. Thank you. And later on we're going to demonstrate using the roaming profile and other services. Thank you.